Hello, my name is Mrs. Cohen. Let's match some pictures with their beginning sounds. Let's start with the capital letters. Q, Q, Z, Z, V, V. Now let's do the lowercase. Q, Q, Z, Z, V, V. Zipper, Z, zipper. Van, van. Zoo, z, zoo. Queen, queen. Valentine, valentine. Zero, z, zero. Quilt, quilt. Vase, vase. Zebra, zebra. Quarter, quarter. Vine, vine. Let's review. The name of this letter is Q. The sound it makes is queen, quilt, quarter. The name of this letter is Z. The sound it makes is Z, Z, zipper, Z, zoo, Z, zero, Z, zebra. The name of this letter is V. The sound it makes is V, V, van, V, valentine, V, vase, V, vine.